This is a very nice book. It's for mainly for the PG entrances, and it can be used for NET JRF practice as well. So its name is Crack the Entrance Food and Nutrition, a comprehensive guide to clear PG entrance exam, and it's by Radhika Jain. So it's a very nice book. You can use it for PG entrance examination for any of the central universities or state universities, and you can also prepare for NET and JRF from this book. Let me show you the index as well, what all topics it covers. So it's mainly has topics from food science, because entrances for MSc have a lot of questions from food science, from biochemistry as well. Lots of questions come from biochemistry. So if you are preparing for any MSc entrance exam, pay proper attention to biochemistry as well. So this is the index, and 2 sample papers are there, and this book is very helpful. You can see the writer has written how to use the book, and she has given various tips on how to use this book and prepare for any entrance examination for PG as well as NET and JRF. For PG entrance exam, this is a very good book, and it's available on Amazon. I will try to give the link if I can. So this is a very nice book. These questions are like that, and it has many questions to practice. A very thick book, if you can see. So there's so many questions, and it is a very good book if you want to practice questions from food science field for NET JRF or for PG entrances. And it's a very good book. If you see, she has included various tips, and she has basically for MSc entrance exam, all the topics which are there in MSc food and nutrition, each and every topic comes in the exam, and she has mentioned those basic fields: basic nutrition, diet therapy, food science, biochemistry, and community nutrition. So, and some questions from research were also there. So basically all questions from the syllabus of MSc are covered in the PG entrance exam, and this is a good book for NET JRF MCQ practice as well. It's an MCQ book, so there are lots of MCQs. And other thing that I really like if you study the chapter cereal and cereal products, so after the questions finishes, they have given the number of questions and the answers, so you can check. First you can attempt, and then you can check. Like these they have given at the back of each chapter. So this is a very good book. You should definitely buy it if you want to practice MCQ questions.